Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel. I am GD sir from LPM Public School. Today we are discussing about the second part of the chapter, The Inexperienced Ghost, written by H.G. Wells. Okay, so it is the second part, and if you have to not seen the first part of this chapter, then you have to go the channel icon and click on the videos and then watch out the first part of this chapter. So let's start and know what will happen in the next. In the beginning you know very well about that. Here is the person that name was the Cliston, and he is talking to his friends and telling about the ghost, that ghost is coming in the club, and he is talking to the ghost. But when the Cliston says to him that it is not a proper place for the ghost, the ghost says that he has a element that was the lost, and so he is not vanished from this world. Okay, so it is very difficult for the ghost. So let's know what will happen next. And he said he had preferred to flip up and down the room if it was all the same to me. Okay, so ghost says that when he lost his thing, his the things that was the slip from his hand, he says to the Cliston that if the all things is same in the room, then he able to flip up and down. Flip means a movement. Okay, that he use the movement and make action, that is the way of to go another world. Okay, there he was semi transparent, noiseless, except for his ghost of a voice flirting to and fro in that nice cleaned old bedroom. Okay, so there he was, it means there was the ghost, that is the semi transparent. Semi transparent means it is the looks like a light. Okay, it is not completely transparent. Okay, noiseless expect for his ghost of voice. Okay, his noise, it means ghost is wanted to completely noiseless room. Okay, and flittering to and pro in that nice. Okay, and he, if he is able to and fro means moving up, forward and backward. Okay, and clean old bedroom. Okay, and the bedroom was looks like a old, and he wanted to the bedroom was totally clean. There then he will able to go in another world. Next, you could see the gleam of the copper candlestick through him, and there he was telling me all about his life that had recently ended on earth. Okay, then he said that you could see the gleam. Okay, you should see the gleam of a copper candlestick. It is the, you know about the copper is a element, it is the metal. And candlestick means uh, wherever we put on the candle, and now candle on burning, and it makes a light in the room. Okay, candle uh, candle stick through him, and there he was telling me all about his life. And in the room, the Cliston is sitting inside of the chair, and another side the ghost, and the ghost is telling all about his life to the Cliston, how he became a ghost and how he reached in this club. Okay, that he had recently ended on earth. Okay, it means he has recently dead in the earth, and after the death he make a ghost and he reached here. And where are you now? I asked. Not in. Okay, and next the question asked by the Cleiston, and what is the question? Question is, and where are you now? Okay, he asked about the question. What is the question? A place where the ghost is live now. He was not clear at all. It means ghost is not know well about the place there he came. Okay, wherever he was they seemed to think haunting a tremendous adventure. Okay, wherever he was they seemed to think haunting. Okay, the ghost tell to the Cleiston that it looks like a thing. Seemed means looks like a thing haunting. Haunting means terrible. Okay, tremendous means vibrated. Just like that phone will be vibrate, and same is tremendous means tremendous adventure. It means where you doing something and you have no courage, then your legs and hand became the trembling. It means vibrate. Such as the adventure we tell about the ghost. And so he had come, and after that he come here. The maze he had made of haunting had saddened him terribly. Okay, the maze means disorder. Okay, the disorder he had made of haunting had saddened him terribly. Okay, it means haunting had saddened. Okay, saddened means dispraised. Okay, saddened means dispraised. He getting dispraising. He became tense. We can say in another word tense. Okay, he had made of haunting uh, dispraised him terribly. Okay, he is not like to haunting another person, but haunting work is very boring for him, and this work is depressing to the ghost. He had expect it to be fun, and the ghost wanted to getting a fun and enjoy his life. Okay, I got up briskly. Okay, briskly means he got up means he stand up. Okay, the Cleiston became the stand up. Briskly means fastly. That's clear. Don't brood on these things too much. Don't brood on these things too much. It means it is a no, no taking more time, no expecting more depression for this type of the work. It means he has not thinking much about this condition. I said, you have got to pull yourself together and try and try. He did. Okay. And next he tell him about the method to go in his world. And what he tell? He tell that God to pull yourself together. Okay, to pull yourself together and try. He did. It means he make a many time try. A complicated series of the gestures and movement with the hands. And the now the ghost try making many he tried many times using the some of the series of gesture means just like that indication or a movement of by the hand. Okay, gesture and movement with his hand. He make a many type of the movement expressing his hand in a different way, and this is the he wanted to invisible or vanish from there, so he tried to his hand and making moving another way just like that in forward, moving his hand forward, moving his hand backward. He also circling his hand in a air, such like that movement he do. That's how he had come in, and that's now how he had to get out again. Okay, and this is the method. How can he reach here? It means how can he enter the in this club, and this is the another method. And when you go out from the club, so use the method and try it again and go out from the club. Okay, it means the Cleystone says to the ghost that you use different kind of the gestures, you use the different kind of the movement by your hand, and now you make your search out your method to go out from the club. Okay, after a fearful time he got his movement right. Okay, and after a fearful time it means he makes many movements, and after the many movements he get a right movements, and when he got his right movements suddenly he disappeared. Okay, he disappeared from the rooms. Why? Because he gets his right movement. Okay, just like that many of the serials will come on the TV, and you have to see just like that. You know very well about the Shaktiman. You know about that Shaktiman, that moving his finger in upping his hand, and he circling around very fast and moving on in the air, and such like the movement here is the ghost too. And this is the and at same time of the movement the ghost will get it, and after the god he will enjoy, and he will disappear from the room. Okay, it was tremendous when the ghost was go out. Okay, then it was tremendous for him, it was the fearful for the Cleystone. Okay, there he were, this thin ghost and I, in that silent room. But we were this thin ghost means a very weak ghost, and I in that silent room. It means everything is normal. Okay, the ghost and Cleystone both are sitting in front to each other, and the room completely silent. In this club not a sound except our voices. There was one candle on the dressing table, a light, that was all. I can't, he said, I shall never. And suddenly he sat down at the foot of the bed and began to sob. Okay, but after some moment, okay, after that it means when the suddenly he was, it means ghost was disappeared, but after a tremendous, it means vibration, he the the Cleystone saw that the ghost was sitting front him, and in the middle of the table, it means dressing table, his only one candle is stand, and it is a light. Okay, and the ghost was became very worried, and he said that he cannot go to another world, and he cannot search out the right movement of his hand, and he suddenly he start to weeping. It means he was sobbing means weeping. Okay, you have to pull yourself together, I said to him, and try, and to encourage him I began to try as well. Okay, it means here you have to pull yourself together. It means the now the Cleystone regarded him, it means regarded him means the ghost, and said to him that try and try again, and he encouraged to the ghost. Okay, Cleystone encouraged to the ghost that if you try well, then you get the right movement of your invisibility. Okay, at the last he did it. I know, he said. What do you know? Said I know, said I, and I know, he repeated. Then he said previously. Okay, previously means let out. Previously means let out. Now when the ghost become very sad and start to weeping, the Cleystone became very sad, but he wanted to help the ghost. Okay, so he says to the ghost that if you make many try, then you get your right movement. Okay, and after the get your right movement, you have to gone in your world. So do it and try again. Okay, at the last he did it, and then he said, what do you know? Okay, and he asked to, it means the ghost asked to the question that you have any idea to movement your any movement of your hand and any movement of that he has gone from to his worlds. So he repeated many and many times to moving movement and use the gesture previously. I can't do it if you look at me. Okay, but here is the one problem will create with the ghost, that was when he, it means when the Claston looking him deeply, it means staring him, then he is unable to do or search out the right movement. Okay, and why? Because the ghost was nervous fellow. Okay, and well, we had a bit of a argument. Naturally I wanted to see, but he was obstinate as mule. Okay, obstinate as mule. Obstinate and mule means very superman. Okay, so Claston says that when he we had a bit of a argument naturally, but I wanted to see, but he was a obstinate as a mule. Obstinate means a very stubborn, it means a very naughty person. All right, I said I would look at you, I would not look at you, and turn towards the mirror by the bed. Okay, so he, it means Claston give him a idea that he would not look him by using the movement of his hand and another gesture, but he turned toward the mirror by the bed, and he will see him in a mirror. So okay, so he started off very fast, round went his arms and his hands, and then with a rush came the last gesture of all. You stand erect and open out your arms, and he stood, and then he didn't. I wheeled round from the looking glass to him. Okay, so he started off very fast, it means the ghost will make different try, and he started it very fast, round went him arms, him hand, and he making any try to using his arms and hand, and then he rush came to the last gesture of all, and he said to the Claston that stand erect. Erect means vertical. Okay, vertical means straight. Okay, straight, and open out your arms. And he stood. Okay, after saying that he stood, means host was stood, and then he didn't. I wheeled round from the looking glass to him. Okay, and then he didn't. I wheeled around, it means he not will, ghost will not will, but the Claston will around him, looking glass to him, and there was nothing, and I was alone. What had happened? And next the ghost was next, he also invisible. It is the second time that was the invisible, but had I been dreaming. Okay, and then the clock upon the landing struck one ping. Here is the, you know very well about the, when the clock is moving, then he making a sound, and that sound will now stucking ringing. Okay, and the ghost was not looking there. So in the, it is the second part, we have to meet in the third part. So thank you for the watching video.